Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of courtrooms and justice. Today, we've got a compelling look at Judge Raquel West's court, where every decision carries immense weight and second chances are often hard-earned. We're going to witness some truly pivotal moments, from individuals grappling with the consequences of their actions to the judge's unwavering commitment to fairness and the rule of law. Get ready for some raw, unfiltered courtroom drama that highlights the importance of accountability and understanding the legal system. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Derek Mutton, walking into court in his orange prison suit. The air is thick with tension as Judge West gets straight to business. Derek's probation violations are piling up. Missed drug tests, endless excuses, and a clear pattern of disregarding court orders. It is a stark reminder that probation isn't just a slap on the wrist. It is a privilege with serious responsibilities. The judge asks about his efforts to hire a lawyer, and Derek lists a few names, eventually settling on Miss Holmes. Judge West ever fair gives him a bit more time, about 30 days, to secure her services. She even advises him to talk to others if that doesn't work out, reminding him that different lawyers offer different payment plans. It's a moment where you see the court trying to work with individuals, even when they've made missteps. But the underlying message is clear. Action needs to be taken. Then we see Eliza Riley, who admits to speaking to lawyers, but hasn't hired anyone. The judge asks a crucial question. If she were tested that morning, would anything be in her system? Elisa confidently says no, leading the judge to order a test. This segment really highlights the importance of honesty and compliance in these proceedings. The court isn't just listening to words, it's looking for actions that back them up. Next, we witness the sentencing of Timothy Horace, who previously pleaded guilty to obstruction or retaliation. Judge West confirms that everyone has reviewed the pre-sentence report. She affirms his voluntary plea and, following the agreement, finds him guilty. He's sentenced 10 years in prison, but suspended, placing him on 5 years of probation. This is a critical moment where the gravity of the legal system comes into full view. The judge meticulously explains the conditions. A $500 fine and strict adherence to all probation rules. She makes it absolutely clear that if he follows everything, his case is essentially over. But, and this is a huge but, if he violates any condition, that 10-year sentence could become a very real reality. She emphasizes that by agreeing to this. He's waived his right to appeal and reminds him of his ineligibility to possess firearms or ammunition. It is a powerful lesson in understanding the terms of your freedom and the potential consequences of not upholding your end of the bargain. He's told to wait for his probation officer to go over the paperwork. "Good luck, sir," the judge says. A heavy moment for sure. We then meet Darius Sparks, appearing for his initial hearing. He is charged with a serious third-degree felony. Assault on a family member by impeding breath or circulation. He's out on bond, but hasn't hired a lawyer. Judge West gives him 30 days to try and secure legal representation. She instructs him to bring the reset notice to his lawyer if he hires one. But if he can't, she orders him to speak with at least 3 different lawyers, bring back their names, and be prepared to discuss options. The judge's tone shifts when she warns him. Failure to comply could result in his bond being raised, sending him back to jail. This isn't just about finding a lawyer. It's about showing the court he's actively engaging with the process. The stakes get even higher when the judge addresses a critical condition of his bond. No contact or communication with Miss Gage, the alleged victim. Darius pauses, saying there is a lot of stuff that transpired and that he is still sorry. But Judge West cuts him off. Firm and unequivocal. "No, you're not. Not as of today, or you're going to jail. Do you understand me?" She makes it clear that Miss Gage cannot give him permission to break the court order. If he violates it, he'll be back in jail, and his bond will be raised so high he won't get out. This is a stark example of the court prioritizing victim safety and the integrity of its orders. It's a powerful reminder that bond conditions are not suggestions. They are directives with immediate and severe consequences, if ignored. Next, Ronnie Green appears, charged with money laundering. He tells the judge he's already paid a lawyer, Miss Holmes, the same one Derek Mutton was considering. Judge West resets his case for 30 days to allow him to continue paying her off, asking him to bring receipts to show his progress. It's another example of the judge working with individuals, but still maintaining oversight. We also see Catherine Castillo facing charges of assault on a peace officer and driving while intoxicated. Her attorney requests 30 days to complete discovery, specifically waiting on body camera information. The prosecutor confirms an offer has been made, and the judge grants the request. It's a glimpse into the methodical process of gathering evidence and working towards a resolution. Finally, we meet Carly Davis, charged with a third-degree felony. Judge West explains the potential consequences if she goes to trial and is found guilty. 2 to 10 years in prison. She details a plea bargain offer. 10 years of probation with the $1,500, fine and conditions, like an ignition, interlock device, and treatment. Carly rejects the offer, opting for trial. The judge then, with Carly's permission, releases her current court-appointed attorney, Mr. Rojas, to appoint another who can prepare for trial more quickly. This underscores a defendant's right to reject a plea and pursue a trial, and the court's role in facilitating fair representation. But the most impactful moment circles back to Derek Mudden. As the session concludes, Judge West delivers a firm and final ruling. Derek's probation is revoked, and he is sentenced to serve real prison time. His reaction says it all. Anger, disbelief, and the harsh reality that his second chance is now gone. This powerful ending serves as a potent reminder that while the justice system offers opportunities for rehabilitation, ultimate responsibility lies with the individual. Consequences are real, and court orders are not to be taken lightly. What do you think about these cases? Whose story resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this dive into Judge West's courtroom insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We truly appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.